is Jeriel Ainsley Urbano, grade 5. I will perform my performance task in English. Sentence patterns are made up of phrases and clauses. Phrase is a group of connected words, but it is not a complete sentence because it is missing a subject or a verb. Phrases are just one component that makes up a complete sentence. Clause contains a subject and a verb. Example of sentence pattern: subject, predicate, action, verb. Subject, predicate, action, verb, direct object. Subject, predicate, action, verb, adverb. Subject, predicate, linking verb, predicate, adjective. Subject, predicate, action, verb, indirect object, direct object. Example of sentence: subject, predicate, action, verb. The class studied. Class is a subject. Studied is a action verb. The students and the teacher read. The students and the teacher are the subject, and the read is action verb. Students is subject. Sat and read are the action verb. Students and teacher are the subject. Sat and read are the action verb. Subject, predicate, action, verb, direct object. The class took a test. Class is a subject. Took is a action verb. Test is direct object. The class took a test and a quiz. Class is a subject. Took is action verb. Test and quiz is the direct object. Subject, predicate, action, verb, adverb. The class worked carefully. Class is a subject. Work is a action verb. Carefully is adverb. The students sit here. Students is subject. Sit is action verb. The class worked like a team. Class is subject. Work is action verb. Team is adverb. Before school, in the gym, the class worked like a team. Class is a subject. Work is action verb. Team is adverb. In the gym, the class worked like a team before school. Class is subject. Work is action verb. Team is adverb. Like a team, the class worked before school in the gym. Class is subject. Work is action verb. School is adverb. Example of sentence. Subject, predicate, linking verb. Predicate, adjective. The teacher is kind. Teacher is subject. Is linking verb. Kind, predicate, adjective. Miss Kin is kind and helpful. Miss Kin is subject. Is linking verb. Kind and helpful, predicate, adjective. Subject, predicate, action verb. Indirect object, direct object. The teacher gave the class a test. Teacher is subject. Gave is action verb. Test is direct object. Mr. Soto gave Kim and John a test. Mr. Soto is subject. Gave is action verb. Test is direct object. Sentence diagramming allows you to separate and identify these different components of sentences by arranging them pictorially. It is a sketch, outline, or plan demonstrating the form sentence. Example, direct object. Miss Perez sent email. The Miss Perez is subject. The sent is action verb. Email is direct object. Indirect object. Ma'am Wenelin gave the children homework. Ma'am Wenelin is subject. Gave is action verb. Homework is indirect object. Predicate noun. John Cruz is a coach. John Cruz is subject. Is linking verb. Coach is predicate noun. object of a preposition. She cared only for herself. She is subject. Cared is action verb. For herself is object of a preposition. Sentence diagramming. Example. Adjective. Athletic moves excite the crowd. Athletic is subject. Moves is action verb. Crowd is adjective. Predicate adjective. Sunny was powerful. Sunny is subject. Was is linking verb. Powerful is predicate adjective. Adverb. Soldier works quickly. Soldier is subject. Works is action verb. Quickly is adverb. Prepositional phrase. Charles is working in the garden. is subject. Is working is action verb. In the garden is prepositional phrase. Sentence diagramming. Example. Questions. Where are you going? You is subject. Are is linking verb. Going is adjective. What were you reading this morning? You is subject. Were reading is action verb. Morning is direct object. Whose bike were you using? You is subject. Were using is action verb. Bike is direct object. May I postpone this assignment? I is subject. May postpone is action verb. Assignment is direct object.